In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Monday.com to manage your workspace, boards, and groups. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin with creating a workspace. Workspaces are the highest level of organization in Monday.com. They serve to separate different teams, departments, or even clients, giving you a structured environment to work within. To add a workspace, you'll want to click the plus icon located in the left sidebar and select the option that says Add Workspace. Once you've done that, it's time to choose a descriptive name for your workspace. For example, you might name it Marketing Team. You'll also need to decide on the privacy settings. Choose Public if you want everyone on your team to access it, or opt for Private if you'd like to restrict it to specific members only. Finally, don't forget to click Create Workspace to finalize this step. Once your workspace is set up, the next step is to create a board. Boards live inside workspaces and are critical for planning and tracking your specific projects or workflows. Inside your workspace, simply click that plus button again, but this time select New Board. You'll be prompted to name your board. For example, you can name it Content Calendar. Now you have the option to start from scratch or, if it suits your needs, use a template to save time. Additionally, setting permissions is essential. You can make your board main, which is visible to the entire team, private for invited members only, or shareable if you plan to involve external guests. As you delve deeper, you'll want to organize your tasks efficiently using groups. Groups are essentially color-coded sections within a board that help you categorize your tasks. To add a group, click on the plus button labeled Add Group at either the top or bottom of your board. After that, it's helpful to rename your groups based on categories that make sense for your workflow. For instance, you might use stages like To Do, In Progress, or Completed, or you could organize by timeframes like Q1 or Q2. Now that your groups are set, let's focus on adding items and columns to make your board even more functional. Under each group, click Add Item to list your specific tasks. For example, you might type in Write Blog Post. Next, you can enhance your board further by adding columns. Click the plus icon at the right side of your columns to add various data points, such as status, date, people for assigning tasks, or even a priority column to streamline your workflow. As you manage your workspace, keep in mind the importance of collaboration. Use the People column to assign tasks effectively, and don't overlook the Updates section, represented by a speech bubble icon, to communicate directly with your team members regarding specific tasks. This will keep everyone in the loop and enhance team collaboration. Finally, Monday.com offers several views to help you visualize your work in different formats, such as Table, Kanban, Timeline, or Gantt. This flexibility allows you to see your projects from various perspectives. Additionally, you can set up automations to make your workflow even smoother. Click the Automate icon to define rules, like automatically moving a task to the completed group once its status changes to Done. And that's it. You're now equipped to make the most of Monday.com for your workspace management. Enjoy your productivity.